I am Mansi Kasliwal. I'm an assistant professor of astronomy at the California Institute of Technology. I was a Caltech student once. I remember walking into campus and feeling like a kid in a candy store. I wanted to do everything. Every single person I spoke to was doing such exciting, such groundbreaking science that I just wanted to be a part of it all. So people have been studying the stars from when humanity came around. It sparked people's imaginations right from the beginnings of history. But it's also one of the youngest sciences because very, very basic, very fundamental questions remain unanswered. Advances in CCD technology is allowing us to tile entire focal planes and build very wide field cameras. Advances in computing there allow us to tackle large data sets, and that is what has brought us into this era of celestial cinematography. We can make movies of the entire night sky over and over again, multiple times a night, every night. And we can look for very rare transients that flash and disappear before you know it. When there's a transient, when there's a cosmic firework, that's when most of the periodic table, most of the elements that we know it are synthesized. Understanding the data and this tiny, tiny window of opportunity that you have when there is this bright flash of light lets you understand the universe to depths that you couldn't otherwise reach in any other way. Discovering the universe we live in, understanding its questions, is a game. Just trying to solve a puzzle where the answer is something that nobody knows. It's really about enjoying the process of discovery, the process of understanding this beautiful universe we live in. The frank truth of the matter is that astronomy is my passion, and I absolutely love it.